Welcome, here I've got Samsung Galaxy A3 Core and I'm gonna show you how to change aspect ratio in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. Let's stay here and focus on this settings bar. Now we have to pick the second from the right button, so here we can get access to our aspect ratio. As you can see, we are in 3 and 4. Let's pick it once again and move to 9 and 16. And as you can see, the background has changed to the longer one, so this is how it works. Another tab here. And let's pick 1 and 1, so we can see the square one aspect ratio. And when we pick it once again, we can move to the full one, so for now we have full camera frame. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.